Hi there friends, I am here to taste test a strawberry and cream cake pop from Starbucks. I saw this on the menu and I was like, OMG, that is adorable. That is just too cute not to get and at least try. So, okay, I get a little bit of a strawberry smell. Just a slight one. Let me know in the comment section if you have ever had their strawberry and cream cake pop. Here we go. That's dense. Okay. The frosting is like really thick. Really thick, really sweet. It's a lot. But it is strawberry flavored, artificial strawberry flavored. The cake itself, I feel like the ratio of frosting to cake, you know, when they mush them together to make the cake pop, I feel like they were a little heavy-handed on the frosting side. And I'm not really getting much of a strawberry flavoring with the cake. There is a slight strawberry aftertaste that's coming through. I'm not sure if that's coming from the frosting or from the cake. Let's try some the frosting 100% has strawberry flavor, no doubt. The cake itself, though, I mean, I guess it's a little bit there, but honestly, it's so subtle that you can't even really taste it. Cuteness wise, adorable, very cute. Flavor wise, I feel like they could have done better, a lot better. I mean, they're saying strawberries and cream. I'm not even really getting a cream like essence. I'm just kind of getting a little bit of artificial strawberry and then just a bunch of like doughiness, you know. So yeah, I would give this a 2 out of 5 because I feel like the only thing it's got going for it is it's cute. That's it. It's cute. But substance, yeah, I just feel like they missed the mark with this one. I feel like the flavor could have been better. I feel like the texture could have been better. Starbucks, you failed. You failed, Starbucks. Shame. Go sit in a corner. Let me know if you've ever had one of these before. And if you haven't, are you a fan of strawberry flavored treats? For me, it really is hit and miss. Strawberry can be so like non-enjoyable when it hits a certain artificial level. So maybe that's has to do with quality as well. Maybe lower quality just isn't as good. I don't know. Let me know what you think about that, and I will link Starbucks below if anyone is interested in going and checking out Starbucks. There you go. See if you have a location near you and see if they serve this monstrosity at your location. Thanks y'all for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.